DIYers, what's going on, Mike Borders with the Mike Borders channel? Thank you for watching. We're working on our Alpha 1 Gen 1 Mercruiser outdrive, and in today's video, we're going to show you how to properly and safely install a gimbal bearing grease seal. All right, DIYers at the Crescent Workstation, and again, we're going to show you how to install your gimbal bearing grease seal, and right down there is the tool and the adapter that goes on that long rod. And from here, let's take a closer look of the seal. To a closer look, and here is the new seal. There is the old seal. Down below in the comment section as well as description section are links on how to remove it, as well as additional videos that talk more about our project, which will bring you up to speed where we're at. Again, here's the new seal. There's the part number. The link will be down below on where to purchase this. Here's the inner portion of the seal, or the cup portion, and that is the portion that faces outward toward you or the outdrive engine, as shown there. And from here, what we'll do is open that up. I now have the seal unpackaged, and I've got the driver tool and driver rod. Same rod that you use to align your engine, as well as drive your new gimbal bearing into the housing. And this is perfectly designed to fit inside that cup portion of the seal. And I'm going to apply just a little bit of high performance extreme grease, which I'll have a link down below in the comment section as well as description section on where to purchase this. So what do you think? Let's head out to the boat and get this installed. All right, DIYers, to the garage where the boat is. This is my grandma's 1989 glass port, once owned by my aunt and uncle. And again, we're going to show you how to install your gimbal bearing grease seal. Let's head to the back of the boat. To the back of the boat where the transom is, let's go inside the gimbal bearing housing, where the gimbal bearing will be installed, as well as the grease seal. As you can see, we've cleaned it up pretty good. We will reposition the camera and get started. With the camera repositioned, I've grabbed the adapter and grease seal. And again, the way this is designed and machine cut is to allow this inner rubber seal to fit inside this gap here, and then this portion to go through here. And it is kind of a tight fit, and that's a good thing, but press this all the way flush until the tool itself is 100% in position and flush with the backside here. And from here, we can carefully insert it into the housing. However, you may find it easier to insert this seal by hand and then insert that tool to drive it in. What I'll do now is grease the outer edge of the grease seal. And all I'm using is Quicksilver High Performance Extreme Grease. And I've got some on my finger. All I'll do again is lubricate that outer carrier. Allow it to shift down into that housing and in place a little easier. And from here, do your absolute best to insert the seal as straight as possible prior to grabbing that driving rod and adapter to hammer it in. Once you feel comfortable that that seal is properly centered, grab your adapter and grab your driving rod. Slide that in and carefully slide it down and into the seal. And DIYers, from here, I've got a 2-pound Tecton hammer, and I'm going to hammer that in place. Now to a closer look, and DIYers, most important thing when driving this in place, again, make sure it is straight. In the event that it gets offset, apply just a little bit of pressure in the portion that's further toward you to, again, center that to your best ability when driving that seal in. And as you hammer that rod, it has a unique sound when you hit it before the seal makes contact with that back stopping point. And when that seal finally gets into position and flush with that back stopping point, the sound the hammer makes on the rod is a little different. So you will know when that seal is properly placed and all the way flush with the back stopping point behind it. Taking a step back, and DIYers, that is it. And stick around in the event that you want to see us install our brand new sealed gimbal bearing. Definitely check out the link scrolling above. You can watch us as we do that, because that is our next step in our full rebuild project. From here, DIYers, we really hope the video helped. Hey, do us a favor, below the video you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching, and we hope to see you at the next video where we hammer in that new gimbal bearing.